Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want visitors to book meetings, calls, demos or consultations directly from your Lovable website, integrating it with Calendly is one of the cleanest conversions you can add in 2026. Most issues come from wrong embed type, unpublished pages, blocked scripts, or mobile layout problems. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with Calendly in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, decide how you want Calendly to appear. So Calendly offers three main embedded styles. Choose the right one. Most common options like inline embed, pop-up model, pop-up text. Okay, so get your Calendly scheduling link. So in Calendly, log in to Calendly. So you have to have an account. First, open your event type, then click share and copy your Calendly link. For example, calendly.com, your name. Okay, so you can also access embed options from here. So in Calendly, click share, add to website, then choose inline embed. Then copy the embed code, iframe or script. Okay, in Lovable on the other side, click add element, choose embed, and then paste the Calendly embed code, and after that tap save. So this shows the calendar directly on the page. Okay, so then click save, click publish, and open the live URL. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.